I figured you might be looking for ways to put that corn in your fridge to good use. So why not take a minute to check out one of my favorites, skillet corn with peppers, onions, and smoked sausage. This recipe is easy to prepare and it makes a great side to just about any main course. Skillet corn is especially good with soul food meals or a nice big salad. Here's what you'll need. So we have a little bit of work to do, so let's get started. There are so many good reasons to add just about any type of pepper to skillet corn. You'll end up with a richer flavor and a nice crunch if you prefer, or more heat if you use hot peppers. Bell peppers can contribute color and a mild, fresh taste. And not to mention the health benefits. We could all use just a little extra fiber in our food, right? Now grab a skillet, set the temperature to medium heat, and add a little olive oil. I like to toast the garlic a little bit before I add any other ingredients. Why should you toast the garlic first before adding anything else? Toasting minced garlic before cooking mellows its flavor a little bit, reduces its raw sharpness, and intensifies the aroma. It also helps release the garlic flavor into the oil, creating a richer taste for your dish. Next, let's add the smoked sausage, peppers, and the onions to the skillet. Stir this mix occasionally until the peppers begin to cook down and soften just a little bit. Finally, add all the remaining ingredients to the skillet. Cook and stir everything until the peppers and onions are softened up to your liking and the corn is nice and hot. Plate, serve, and enjoy. Now I need you to do me a favor. Let's keep this channel going. Hit that like button, leave a comment, and share this video with your family and friends. Until next time, I just like to cook, and I'll see you later.